Hey guys, what's going on? So this is my 09 Silverado, and the third brake light, as you can see, has seen better days. So we're going to go ahead and replace it with an aftermarket, even though it's not the most recommended to change with aftermarket because of leaking. It's better than paying the price of a brand new OEM. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a Phillips head. You'll remove both of the Phillips head screws from right and left side, pull the light out and disconnect it. This is a factory light. As you can see, mine is seeing better days. So once these start leaking, they'll actually leak and drip onto the headliner, and that was the problem I'm having. My headliner is getting wet. So what we're going to want to do is clean up all around really good, and it actually comes with a seal. And this light is a lot more sealed up because it's LED. It doesn't have all the holes like this one does to change the bulbs. So should make everything a little bit more airtight and watertight. So and this one's been cracked for a while, so it's been leaking. That probably is where mine's been leaking this whole time, unfortunately. All right, now with that cleaned up, went ahead and put the seal on. And then we'll just go ahead and connect the light. Once it's connected, we're just going to tuck the wire up in there and reinstall. All right, moment of truth. There it is. Definitely gives a better look to this truck, being the dark blue, or if you had a black truck, it'll look really good as well. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped. All right, it's finally dark enough I can show y'all what it looks like. So that's actually super bright compared to the stock one. Wow. All right. Now it's off. Now let me go ahead and see if I can get y'all a little bit of the brake in action. Thanks for watching this video. If you want any of the products that I talked about, they'll be in the description below. If you have any questions, comment below.